Greetings to the viewers. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the amount of ingredient required to make up a percentage solution. Similar to converting one expression of concentration to another. Proportional sets can be used to calculate the amount of ingredient needed to produce a known amount of a known percentage product. For example, let us consider that we have an ingredient and a product. We will have an amount and percentage for the ingredient and product. Let the amount of ingredient and product be A and B, respectively. The percentage of ingredient be P, and we know that the product percentage is 100. Values P and B will be known and, therefore, A can be calculated. Now let us see an example. How many milligrams of sodium hydroxide are required to prepare 500 milliliters of a 0.03% weight by volume solution? Sodium hydroxide is a solid, and is expressed as a weight, in this case milligrams. The vehicle is a liquid, and is expressed in milliliters. By convention, 0.03% weight by volume means 0.03 gram in 100 milliliters. So, each 100 milliliter contains 0.03 gram of sodium hydroxide. For converting 0.03 gram to milligrams, we have to just multiply it by 1000. So, we will get 30 milligrams. Now, let X be the number of milligrams of sodium hydroxide in 500 milliliters. Setting up proportional sets. Sodium hydroxide, milligram, is the ingredient, and we have to calculate it. So, we can consider this as X. The corresponding product we need is 500 milliliters of solution. Already we have seen that 30 milligrams of sodium hydroxide is present in 100 milliliter of product through the problem. So, by just cross-multiplying, we get 100, X equals 15,000. X equals 15,000 divided by 100. We get 150. So, we can conclude that 150 milligrams of sodium hydroxide is required to produce 500 milliliters of a 0.03% weight by volume solution. Thanks for watching.